Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install this curly hair from my first wig. This is what the packaging looks like. As you guys already know, their packaging always comes with everything you need to install your hair. It comes with this little purse right here, and it also comes with the instruction of how to take care of your hair. It comes with an wig cap, a pin. It comes everything you need to install the hair, and this is what the hair looks like, guys. Look at the lace straight from the box. Everything has been done for you guys. Even the even the hair has been pat straight from the box. As you can tell, you have your center part straight from the box. This is the construction of the cap. It has two combs at the front and one comb at the back, and also the knots has also been bleached for you guys, so you don't have to worry about anything whatsoever. And it also comes with an elastic band as well as an elastic strap straight from the box, so you can use that to secure your hair if that's the look you're going for. As you can tell, this was actually just the elastic band, and I showed you guys that the hair is going nowhere. But as always, I like to apply glue so that I'll be able to give you guys the full tea about the hair. So I applied the bold hold glue on my hair, forehead, and I made sure that I cut the lace into two pieces and applied the lace exactly where the glue, where I applied the glue, if that makes sense. Everything I did is self-explanatory, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. But make sure that the edge of the hair is exactly on the edge of the glue, so everything would melt in effortlessly. So yeah, that's all I did, and I cut off the excess lace from the wig. Look at that, guys. Look at that. The hair is laid. Look at that. Where's the lace, guys? Where's the lace? Show me the laces. This hair is so lit. Like, the hairline is everything. So I thought, well, let me just go for baby hair. I'm not quite sure if I should, but well, let me give it a go and let's see what the hair is going to look like. Look at the hairline, guys. Look at that. It looks so natural that you'd have thought that that was actually my real hair, but no, sis, this is actually a lace wig. So I tied my scarf on the hair just to make sure that everything is in place and melted, and voila, look at that, guys. So natural. Look at that. I was feeling myself that I just had to show you guys, like, seriously, I am a huge fan of their lace. So I tried my best to go for the baby hair look, but I thought, I'm not feeling it. The hairline is too lit for me to go with baby hair, so I took off the baby hair and I wore the hair without baby hair. But before then, I showed you guys exactly what the hair would look like if you actually go for a wet look. So in this case, I didn't apply water on the hair. I only applied the mousse by what's it called? I can't remember. I'll put the details in the description box below. But yeah, I showed you guys cream of nature. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, guys. Look at that. The curls are popping. Like, seriously, the curls are popping. So if you're going for a wet look, this is what the hair is going to look like. And look at the hairline as well, guys. I was feeling myself that day. Like, I thought, no, this is everything for me. You guys know I like curly hair, and curly hair with lace that is melted. Like, I just can't help myself but to show myself a little bit. So bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like. It doesn't really necessarily that you have to wear the center part that came with the hair. So if you're the type that like half part, side parts, look at that. You can pat the hair anywhere you like, and it looks so natural. I am a huge fan. Look at that. It looks so natural. I really love that fact about this hair. And voila, the hair is dried, and I showed you guys another style that I am feeling, which is the big head don't care kind of look that I was feeling that day. I thought, wow, I already showed you guys the wet look, so after some time I came back again and make sure that the hair was dried so I could be able to show you guys another alternative of how to style the hair. This is just me just you know, waiting for the hair to dry before showing you guys that bit. So yeah, I showed you guys another style that you could go for. This is really easy. So you just twist the hair inward and you use your bobby pin to hold the hair in place, and voila, you are good to go. Very easy and looks so natural. So yeah, I am feeling this style as well. I actually changed my lipstick because, you know, while I was waiting for the hair to dry, I went to change my lipstick because I just thought I should give you guys the, you know, the fall vibe. So voila, this is another hairstyle too. The hair is not 360 lace frontal wig, it's just a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, but you can style it like a 360 lace frontal wig, just like your own hair.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly hair for my first week. So I'm going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So in terms of the specification of the hair, the name of the hair is actually called VOO. I'm going to leave the details of the hair in the description box. As the name implies, my first wig, it means that everything about this wig is completely for a beginner. So in terms of the products in the box, everything is there for you to, you know, install the hair. You've got the comb, you've got a wig cap, you've got everything you actually need to install the hair. And the hair also comes with an elastic band as well, which was what I was supposed to use to install this hair. But the point is, I decided to go for glue because you guys already know that I love curly hair, so I definitely thought this hair is going to be on my head for a while, so I decided to go ahead and use glue, coupled with the fact that I like wearing hair that I reviewed for a while, so I'll be able to give you guys full gist or full tea about the hair. The knots has also been bleached for you, the hairline has also been pre-plucked, and also the hair comes with an elastic band attached to it, so you don't have anything to worry about at all. You can decide to go ahead and install the hair with the elastic band that is in the hair, but I decided to go for glue as I explained earlier. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is really soft. As you can tell, there is no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. The hair is so silky to touch. Look at that. It's so silky to touch. There is no tangle whatsoever. And also another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair also comes with, you know, center part straight from the box. There was no need for me to apply any concealer or foundation whatsoever because the knot has been bleached for you. You don't need to apply any concealer, you don't need to apply any, you know, foundation on your part because everything has actually been done for you. Because the hair is human hair, you can, you know, bleach it, you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can change the colors, you can do whatever you like with the hair, just like your own natural hair. And you can also go for a wet look if you like, and also you can decide to go for this kind of style, like the big hair don't care kind of look. But if you're going for a wet look, feel free to spray your water on the hair. As I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, if you're going for a wet look, you can decide to, you know, apply water and any products of your choice on the hair and you get the curls popping. But I'm actually feeling this kind of big hair don't care today, so I decided to ditch the, you know, wet looks and go for this kind of, you know, bouncy curly looks without, you know, that wetness to it. So yeah, I am feeling myself. In terms of the shipping, the hair actually took 3 days to get here. As you guys already know, my first week are always, you know, on point when it comes to the quality of their hair, when it comes to the shipping of their hair, and when it comes to the packaging of their hair. Everything about them is always A+. They've never disappointed me by any means, because you guys already know this is like my third hair, you know, reviewing for them. So quite impressed with the quality of this hair, just like the previous hair as well. And as you guys can already tell, it's really full. Look at that. It's very full and very silky to touch. I'm quite feeling myself, and I'm, you know, also happy about the fact that I can style the hair anyhow I like. Most important thing that I really love about their hair so far, since the first hair, the second hair, and this third hair, the most important thing that I know that they're very good with is the lace of their wig. As you guys can tell, the hairline is always on point. Look at that. Where is the lace? I don't know, like the lace of their wig is always very perfect in my opinion. You can barely tell if it's my hair or not. I am a huge fan of their lace. They're always on point when it comes to that. When it comes to their lace, they're always one of the best, you know, vendors that I really love the quality of their, you know, lace and hair. The hairline of their wig is always looking so natural that people would be like, people would want to get into your face to be able to tell that if this is your hair or not. In terms of that, I definitely give them A plus. The hairline of their hair, the hairline of their hair is always so natural. Look at that. Is it just me? Where is the lace, sis? Like seriously, where is the lace? That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.